Good morning, everyone. I'm fetching water for today's video and I will show you where do I fetch water. So this is the view here, guys. And I am going to fetch water for today's video. So I will show you where do I fetch water for our drink. So I am now walking here, going to the whatever I can fetch for our drink. So this is the view here. As you can see, there is a fog. On the other side, the sunlight is started to come out. So this is the life here in the mountains. I mean, so life here is not easy because every day I am fetching water for our drink, and from here I am carrying the gallons of water going to our house. So we are about to reach the destination. This is my destination. So this is where I fetch water for our drink. So here, as you can see, I will show you this one, and I'll show you. Oh! So this is where I fetch water for our drink. This water came from